JJ the CPA here. A couple other things to think through in this crisis that we're in. One, do you have an insurance company that you've bought insurance from for lost wages, for overhead, for business overhead insurance? Take a look right now and see if it includes any kind of provision to reimburse you, to pay you, to benefit you in circumstances where you are not able to make payroll. That's what it's there for. If you talk with your agent, bless their hearts, and they tell you that you don't qualify or it doesn't count, know this: the agent only represents the insurance company. Typically, agents aren't actually able to do anything different from what the insurance company is telling them to do. So I heard a story today that baffled me, and I think it is a company that does qualify, should qualify, and encourage that employer, that client of mine, to approach it a different way. Contact the company direct. If you're told that you don't qualify, get a copy of the policy. Ask for them to point out to you what qualifies, what doesn't, because you bought insurance. And just because in a circumstance like this that everybody might need it doesn't give the insurance a reason not to pay it. It'd just be the same as in an area or a town that 25, 50, 100 houses either lost their roofs or the vehicles or decimated the houses. The insurance company doesn't get to say, well, in those circumstances, you're not covered. If they do get to say that, it would be because in black and white, big as Texas, in bold, it would state, we don't cover any kind of disasters related to a tornado. What I'm telling you is that we are unprecedented times. It doesn't mean the insurance companies get to decide that this is not an event that doesn't qualify you to get lost wages. Look into it, press, start a claim process, be relentless. Why have that insurance? Why? If it doesn't pay out what it's supposed to. So if you're not sure you have it, ask your insurance agent. Your insurance agent, bless their hearts, guess what? I sell insurance. I'm an insurance agent, okay? You get paid to help in circumstances like this. They can find it, they can do the heavy lifting, they can get the policy, they can find it. And I'm not saying that they won't, but don't feel bad for 1 second having someone prove to you, the insurance company, that you don't qualify for these benefits for lost wages. So there's a lot of companies that they have just a simple overhead insurance that covers basically furniture and fixtures and general liability and a bunch of other stuff. Well, you know what? That bunch of other stuff might include lost accounts receivable. It might include benefits. So look into it. What else you doing? You need money, am I right? So do the heavy lifting on this. Let your agent do some heavy lifting with you. Not getting the answers? Every insurance company has a 1-800 number. Give them a call. And you need to be shown it in the policy. In the policy, it should say, here's what qualifies, here's what doesn't. Here's the events that lead to a benefit. Here's the events that don't. Insurance companies don't give you insurance with a 1 paragraph on it. They clearly define everything. That's what's wonderful about having insurance, is that it's very clear. If you're getting denied and you think that you should get the benefits, please don't stop. Please document the process. I have a list of attorneys that would love to visit with you if you believe or you have an insurance policy that has a whiff of lost wages provision or overhead protection and they're not paying. Because the lawyers I know will clean their clocks. So bottom line, check your insurance policies. You now have another part-time job. Find ways to get money that you've already been paying for, and this is one of them. All right, hey, be safe out there. JJ the CPA, out.